Amazon gives you a way to shut down hijackers. And today I'll show you how to do it and how to take down fake sellers who steal your brand and your sales. I'm Asaf, the CEO of Kabili & Co, and our firm has helped thousands of Amazon sellers protect their account and address any legal issue they've encountered. When you file a trademark complaint correctly, Amazon can remove these hijackers pretty quickly. Your listing go back to normal, your customers see only you, and your competitors lose their free ride. Even if you're not dealing with hijackers right now, keep watching, save this video as you might need it one day. So what is a trademark complaint? A trademark complaint is you telling Amazon someone is using my brand without permission. That could be in their product titles, descriptions, photos, or by selling counterfeits. This is Amazon's official way to enforce your ownership rights. Okay, so step one, choose your filing route. You got two ways to file depending on whether you have Amazon brand registry or not. If you do have brand registry, in the brand registry account, go to Protect, Report Violation, and Trademark. You can search by brand name, ASIN, or even upload a photo to find infringements. You can file multiple complaints in one go and track all of them. If you don't have Amazon brand registry yet, use Amazon's public complaint form, which I will leave in the comments below. Select Trademark, enter your trademark details, and list every infringement listing. Step two is picking the right target. Now, you have to make sure you don't target your own listing. A common mistake sellers make is reporting their own listing. If hijackers are selling through your listing, report the sellers, not the listing itself. Otherwise, you risk taking yourself down. Step three is gathering evidence. Amazon wants proof. Take screenshots showing exactly how your brand is being misused. Save the ASINs, the links, know the dates. The stronger the evidence, the faster Amazon will act. Step four is writing a complaint. Your complaint should be short, professional, and precise. No rants, no vague claims, just the facts. So what happens next? Now you have to wait. Good complaints are usually resolved within a few days. If Amazon reaches out and asks for more info, reply quickly and provide everything they requested. If for some reason your complaint is denied, don't just keep resubmitting the same thing. Too many failed complaints can get you blocked from filing altogether. At that point, I would suggest to consult with a legal expert like us who can guide you on how to move forward without risking your account or the ability to submit claims. There are two questions sellers always ask us. The first one is, what if I don't have a trademark yet? I'm sorry, but you can't file a trademark complaint without having a trademark. We always recommend filing your trademark immediately. As soon as you apply for your trademark, you can already enroll in brand registry and you don't have to wait months for the actual registration. This single step allows you to start protecting your brand right away. The second question we get is, what if the seller fights back? Sometimes sellers push back, claiming they're allowed to use your mark or that this product is completely different. When that happens, usually Amazon will ask you for more proof. This is where a solid record matters. Screenshots, invoices, trademark certificates, anything you might have to support it. If your case is strong, Amazon usually sides with you. And if the fight drags on, just bring in legal support. Don't let persistence from a hijacker wear you down. A trademark complaint done right is one of the most effective tools for protecting your brand on Amazon. Follow the steps, avoid the mistakes, and you'll stay in control while the hijackers get shut down. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help filing your trademark complaint or handling any other legal matter on Amazon, just click the link below and contact us.